I have been dreaming of creating an EttaVee wallpaper for the longest time. As a fine artist, I have painted on canvases of all sizes, including a couple of murals, but I've always wanted to create a colorful wallpaper for those who would like to live with the artwork in a bigger way. I was inspired to start dreaming up a wallpaper collection after working on projects that allowed me to paint in a bigger way, such as photo shoot backdrops and murals. I started to get a lot of inquiries about if I could turn these pieces into wallpaper. It got my wheels turning, and I just knew that I had to find a way to bring my work inside and onto people's walls. Years later, the stars aligned, and I had an opportunity to be on a Q&A panel for surface pattern design, and I just so happened to be on the panel with the director of licensing of RoomMates. And so it was so cool just to be able to hear her knowledge and learn a little bit more about the wallpaper industry. Over time, that relationship grew and this beautiful collection came to fruition. I'm very thankful and excited for this opportunity to be able to create a wallpaper collection with RoomMates Decor. I think as an artist, it's such a high compliment when someone wants to hang your artwork in their space. And I kind of see wallpaper to kind of be the ultimate ode to someone loving your work. They love it so much that they are willing to hang it on a large surface of their wall. I feel that my artist style brings something new to the category and offering a new fresh look at what we can put on our walls. I hope that this collection invites people to be a little playful with their interiors. For me, whenever it comes to creating artwork, I'm always trying to inject more color into my own world and my own surroundings, and that is why I paint with bright colors. I try to capture and think back on moments that made me joyful, or even just like everyday instances of uplifting moments, and I take these feelings and I translate them onto canvas. And my goal is to interject just a little bit more color into the world. I noticed over time, as I started sharing my artwork more and more with others, that the number one thing that people would tell me is that it made them happy. And so that's my goal, is to create bright and colorful artwork that can uplift someone's mood. If I had to come up with just one, I think it would definitely be the brushstroke piece in the bright colorway. You know, it's just classic EttaVee. It sets my heart on fire. It's eye candy, it's colorful, it's playful, it's confident, it's bold. It's everything that I love about artwork. And so, yeah, that would be one that stands out definitely to me. Another one that stands out to me would be the papillon, which is a butterfly in French. This is the butterfly piece, which has this really cool treatment of my design. So a little bit about this piece, the butterflies are actually finger painted, and it's really cool to see how RoomMates has taken this butterfly but laid it out into a really cool, playful kaleidoscope pattern. And it's just a new treatment, a new way that I haven't seen the butterflies being treated before. Normally they're kind of zipping and fluttering all around each other. So I think that the kaleidoscope is a really cool, fresh treatment. And it also makes me think of kind of like those like American quilts. So I think that the Americana style can also be attributed to this piece, which actually makes it more versatile in different spaces. Because each design comes in 3 colorways, I think that there are truly endless possibilities in terms of where this collection can live. First, off the top of my head, I can really see the brushstroke piece living in a powder room or a bathroom. I feel like the blue brushstroke especially, it has like a nice coastal feel to it. So that could be really fun to give you nice beachy vibes in your home. I really think that the Nuit Tropicale and the leopard piece, I think that those could work really well in kids' spaces. I'm thinking kids' bathrooms, bedrooms, closets, all kinds of things. The possibilities are truly endless. If I had to choose 5 words to describe this collection, it would be confident, playful, bohemian, expressive, and painterly.